Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to download Linux Mint and create a bootable USB drive to replace or run alongside Windows. First, go to linuxmint.com and click the download button. Select the Cinnamon edition as it is the most stable and user-friendly for former Windows users. Choose a download mirror close to your location and save the ISO file to your desktop. While that downloads, go to balena.io/Etcher and download the Etcher tool. This is the most reliable software for flashing OS images. Install it and open the application. Insert a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space. Warning: this process will erase everything on that USB drive, so back up your files now. In Etcher, click Flash from File and select the Linux Mint ISO you just downloaded. Click Select Target and pick your USB drive. Finally, click Flash and enter your Windows admin password if prompted. Once the process reaches 100% and says Flash Complete, close Etcher, and that's it. Your bootable Linux Mint drive is ready. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.